Hey guys, welcome back to A.R.C.E TV. Today we're going to be revealing the brand new Garage Yoshida shock tower replacement for the R33 and R34 GTR, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A.R.C.E is the first to obtain a Garage Yoshida R33, R34 shock tower replacement kit. Here it is, right before your eyes, so let's take a look. So, this is the shock tower itself. Both inner upper control arm brackets. Strut hat or shock tower hat. Inner strengthening bracket. Shock tower cover. So let's put this thing together. So now we're going to put the upper control arm brackets in, inner strength bracket. Now we're going to put the shock tower hat. Guys, check this out. Beautiful craftsmanship quality, all laser cut holes, factory bolting locations. Let me spin this around for you guys. Well guys, I hope you liked the mock-up of the Garage Yoshida R33, R34 shock tower replacement kit. If you guys are interested in purchasing one, please do reach out to Garage Yoshida or myself. Thank you guys for following along. This is Andy signing out. See you guys soon.